How to redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards. So if you want to redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for Microsoft Rewards and go with the first option, which is about Microsoft Rewards. And make sure to sign into your account. Go with the upper right, which will have the sign in option, and sign in. Once you've signed into your account, now you just need to simply click on Start Earning. Once you click on Start Earning, it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply go with the Redeem option. So click on Redeem and then scroll down, and here you need to find Roblox. You can also go with Search, which is on the left side, and then search for Roblox, and you will get the Roblox option. But in my case or in my region, it's not available, but you will have the Roblox option right here. You can simply click on the Roblox option that you find, and you will have an option of redeem. So you just need to simply click on redeem, and you will receive the verification code to the email address, and you will be able to redeem the Robux on your Roblox. So that's how you can redeem Robux in Roblox from Microsoft Rewards. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.